Meaning I press next time. I know it's hard. 100 miles will sound bad. Not asking for the fun, so don't act so far. I only wanna get any munga show to love. I only need a blood. Cause I could die any cash. I only wanna get any munga show to love. I only need a blood. Cause I could die any cash. I could die any cash. Any munga show to love. I could die any cash. Any munga show to love. I could die any cash. Any munga show to love. Ataka ni fake love. Any munga show to love. I don't need a wonder. Mimi nina wonder. What will it come true between us two? Maybe Jenny had to. But me not believe too. Ataka nina fake friends too. Real ones what I come through. I only wanna get any munga show to love. I only need a blood. Cause I could die any cash. I only wanna get any munga show to love. I only need a blood. Cause I could die any cash. I could die any cash. Any munga show to love. I could die any cash. Any munga show to love. I could die any cash. Any munga show to love. I can't fake love. Any munga show to love. One love, one love, one love. Oh na 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 na. Yeah, crazy. Yeah. Don't money on the winter. Oh yeah. Any munga show to love.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray! Hooray!
Today's mommy's birthday. Now you can open your presents now.
It's my birthday today. I feel so special already. Like I really love how everyone around me makes my birthday special. So it's half time in the UK at the moment. Today is Tuesday, 13th of February. So the kids are home. I've got my friends right in front of me, and they're so eager to see what's inside. And everyone is so pushy. Everyone wants to see what's inside. So I'm going to unbox it right now. And yeah, what? From here, this is the card that Daddy got me.
Whoa!
It's for a wonderful mom on your birthday. It's your birthday, mommy. The perfect time for a loving reminder of how much you mean. A loving wish for everything that makes you happy. This is so special. Enjoy your special day. Love from Kele, Onyinye, and Chidi. Thank you. Come and give mommy a hug. My husband makes my birthday like the most special day. I look forward to my birthday so much. Thank you, baby. For my wife, with love on your birthday. No matter how busy life is, you still always find time to listen, help, and care, and it means so much. You are a wonderful wife, and you are wished a birthday filled with all the things that make you happy. Enjoy your special day. Lots of love, hubby. I love you.
Gotta be where the space be. I cannot tell you that it's bigger than me. Only competition in here is the mirror in me. I see, you should know I do this purposefully. Ultimatums on her mates and put them on me. I ain't risking me. I don't go and cover your heart. If it all in, I don't wanna restart. Text gone green, waited on Mars. 5 minutes
We are going to be having breakfast
you
a bit late. It's about 9:30 now, and I'm just going to be making basic indomie for them this morning, and then I'll make my breakfast. I'm going to be having a cafe, a yogurt, and fruit parfait for breakfast. So yeah, make breakfast with me.
This might be the last chance to save you. Run a circle like days do. How many times can we break through? No, baby, every day that I choose you. See, we gonna make it through the storm. No matter where the has in store, we'll be together. Don't want no one else forever. That's why I tried to save you. Now I'm trying to replace you. My mind sees days do. How many times you gonna break my heart root? I've been trying to forget it, but I cannot escape the thought of you. And you know that I miss you, and you miss me too. Yeah, you still do a bunch of to piss me off. You want to make me jealous, but it won't work. Emotional intelligence is harder than looks. It's harder than it looks to be off on your own. Why don't you just come home, baby, make your place. Why you gotta play these games with my heart? 1 second you want this and we falling apart. You tell me this is it and you call from afar. Thinking about this like our last night. Don't feel that far now. I tried to save you. Now I'm trying to replace you. My mind sees days do. How many times you gonna break my heart root? And I tried to save you.
These are so
I've
good.
been trying to replace you. My mind sees days do. How many times you gonna? If I were one, I could be further here. If I were one, I could be further here. If I were one, I could be further here.
Love that, I don't mean I work hard. With music and my few funds. Families come and I knew that. Meaning I press next time. I know it's hard. 100 pound will sound bad. Not asking for the fun, so Bruna creates so fun. I only wanna